didn't see you there. Good timing as well. I've been thinking that we have seen many stories and movies about humans, even aliens, but we have yet seen good stories from animal point of view, right? If you haven't, you are in for a treat. A very good day to everyone. Hi, my name is Aditya Nagendran, a year 6 Valala student from STK Tilaram Ambatana. Yes, that's my name, and yes, a little about myself. Becoming an outstanding scientist is my goal. I love to pass my time by reading some fun books. There are many books out there with many different stories and backgrounds, just like Rainbow in the Desert. Black Beauty is the one book that took my heart. Hear me out first, and I'm sure you will love this. Black Beauty by Anna Sewell is a timeless classic that has captured the hearts of young and old readers for over a century. Its popularity is a testament to Sewell's masterful storytelling, and this book is no stranger to that. Through the eyes of Oz, Black Beauty, readers are transported to a world filled with hardship, compassion, and hope. Sewell's choice to tell the story from Oz's perspective was a groundbreaking. This basically set many new eyes for future books. The themes are explored in the novel are just as today's problem: animal welfare. Black Beauty is a lovely black horse that begins his career as a carriage horse. But when he is injured, his wealthy owner decided that he is no longer good enough to be a carriage horse. From that moment, he passed from owner to owner and does lot of hard work. Even though many inhuman things happen to Black Beauty at the hands of unkind humans, he lived up to his name both outside and inside, remaining a kind and respectful horse. Now, just because it's a horse story, don't think there is no kick in the book. There's a scene in this book where Black Beauty jumped into a burning building, saving owner's wife and kids. Just imagine, horse as superhero. Just when we thought that's it, he then continues to race a train. Yeah, a full train. He wins the race with train as well. Talk about horsepower. There was this time a nearby bridge broke down and our hero helped humans from falling as well. Among this amazing achievement by Black Beauty, I realized that us, human and animal, we share the same feelings in art. One more reason why we should kind towards treating animal. Oh, one more spicy moment in Black Beauty, where our hero helped a young man to learn how to work as farmman, one of his owner's barns. This same man would later become the savior for our hero. Just as the old saying, what goes around comes around. So we should always do better because it comes back again, continues. The story of his life from birth to old age is so beautifully told that everything from his young days as a boy in a farm to a hard life on Stone Road in London can be easily felt. Each chapter carries an important message about animal welfare, kindness and respect, and is filled with plenty of page-turning suspense. Of course, after reading this masterpiece, I looked into the author of this book, Anna Sewell, born into a normal family. Anna Sewell's childhood injury made her not walk normally. So, in her adult days, she became a horse carriage driver. This close interaction with horse led to her interest in their treatment and inspired Black Beauty. Black Beauty was just not an everyday novel. It was Anna's life work, and it so delivered as a masterpiece as it always meant to be. Even after 147 years, Black Beauty still remains the World Fantasy Award for Imaginary Land till this day. This is all in me to tell you about Black Beauty. Now I'm sure you interest in Black Beauty also. Just to let you know, I saved many major spoilers to ruin your fun to read this book. There is still more suspense to make your heart go dancing. Until next time, thank you for your time.